If you want to survive, make sure that rescuers and professionals have these incredible gadgets that'll save your life in extreme situations. According to meteorological information, a tornado is recorded in the United States approximately every 24 hours. This frequency has created a thriving market for tornado shelters, and Valley Storm Shelters plays a prominent role in this industry. Recognized as one of the leading manufacturers of tornado shelters, their catalog includes both above-ground and underground shelters. Above-ground shelters are designed to withstand winds of up to 300 miles per hour, 482 kilometers per hour, with walls constructed of 6mm steel plate. In addition, the doors of these shelters, weighing approximately 140 kilograms, are considered the strongest on the market. The safety of a building is crucial, and the presence of evacuation ducts is essential. Known as Aeroace S1, these ducts are critical not only in fire situations, but also in emergencies requiring mass evacuation. Used in bedrooms, schools, and various facilities in 80 countries, these ducts are easy to use, even for children. The evacuation speed through them can reach up to 5 people per minute, thanks to their ability to support a maximum load of 1.2 tons. If evacuation ducts are not available, emergency services can use specially designed cushions. These cushions can withstand jumps from an 8th floor, approximately 25 meters. The SP16 cushion is very easy to assemble by a team of 2 people. Interestingly, the blue circle in the center has the function of reducing anxiety, as indicated by psychologists. And if we talk about incredible inventions for security, you can't miss the next gadget that'll leave you speechless. Discover this innovative rockfall, landslide, and debris flow protection system that has been implemented in various locations around the world. In Switzerland, for example, it can be seen on exceptionally long poles that extend up to 133.5 meters. In Norway, workers have now installed a total of 1,400 meters of this protection. In all these cases, the solution comes down from Gobrug, a company that holds the world record for energy absorption, with its rockfall bearers able to withstand up to 10,000 kilojoules. In addition to onshore challenges, Gobrug also addresses underwater issues with solutions to combat coastal erosion and protect marine infrastructure. Inventions have been made not only for land, but also for water. So take a look at the next invention that'll save your life. On the high seas beyond the mainland, the risks are just as tangible. Let's take a look at AquaEye, the world's first sonar equipped with artificial intelligence algorithms. This revolutionary device allows rescue teams to explore 4,000 square meters of water in just 2 minutes. AquaEye's artificial intelligence allows it to pinpoint the exact location of a lost person, and it can operate for up to 8 hours on a single charge. Its rugged housing is designed to withstand impacts and is suitable for use in saltwater environments. The cost of this advanced device is approximately $4,000. But that's not all. If you're afraid of water, maybe you should also be afraid of earthquakes with the next gadget that could save your life. According to the U.S. Geological Survey, approximately 500,000 earthquakes are recorded worldwide each year. Predictably, many countries are working to develop technologies for earthquake-resistant buildings. Engineers at Stanford University, for example, have been experimenting with an innovative earthquake-resistant building that rests on 12 moving components using concave steel plates. As a result of these tests, the building successfully demonstrated its ability to withstand a simulated magnitude 11 earthquake. Japan and Peru are also conducting similar evaluations of buildings designed to withstand earthquake shaking. As we know, nature can be unforgiving. For this reason, in the event of a fire, it is crucial to have the following invention at hand. The Batfan 2 has been designed by its creators with a remarkable level of excellence. It stands out as one of the most versatile battery-powered fire fans on the market. Its amazing lightness and portability make it easy to carry by a single person, and its compact design is especially noteworthy. With 2 Batfan units occupying the space of a conventional fan, this versatile tool serves a variety of purposes, including the ability to blow or exhaust air. It also has additional features, such as the ability to function as a foam generator or fogger, depending on the model. The fans run for 20 to 45 minutes on a single charge, and when folded, they fit perfectly in the trunk of a car. Speaking of ventilation, we invite you to explore the following invention that could be the key to avoiding a potentially fatal situation due to inhalation of toxic substances. The GH15 is an ultra-thin respirator that transforms protection against chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear threats. Impressive, right? But that's not all that makes the CH15 exceptional. It has a one-size-fits-all design and can be donned in less than 10 seconds. It can be worn with glasses, and there are no parts to replace. Users are provided with at least 15 minutes of respiratory, eye, and face protection. Imagine shaking a bowl of sugar. When you do, you notice that the larger sugar cubes float to the top. The BCA Float E2 avalanche safety backpacks work in the same way. They contain an air cushion that ensures users land at or near the surface. The most compact, the BCA Float E2 25, weighs only 2.7 kilograms. With the cushion, it offers features seen on previous models, such as ski and snowboard bindings, along with a built-in radio. Now let's take a look at one of the safety companies that is making a big splash with its innovative, life-saving inventions. The German company ResTube specializes in water rescue equipment and is quite successful, with its products sold in 25 countries. ResTube protection is a requirement for participants in more than 70 different events and courses. Among ResTube's products is this compact rescue system, small enough to attach to a belt. Surprisingly, it weighs only 160 grams. Even in its basic version, it provides 50 N of buoyancy, exceeding the capabilities of many jackets and enough to keep an adult afloat. And if what you want is to be safe against water, you better take a look at 3 flood control systems. The first is called Gappy. It's a flexible polymer pipe filled with water. A single one of these tubes in its top version can cover an area of 30.5 meters long. As long as the water does not rise more than 58 centimeters, it does the job. But there's more. The second system looks a lot cooler. It looks like a barricade and is called NOAC Box Wall. It's not only fast, but super fast to set up. Only 2 people can install the system and protect an area of approximately 625 square meters in 23 minutes. Wait, that's not all. The third system, known as Flood Stop, is effective with adaptable barriers that fit windows, storage, and garage doors. Barriers can even be ordered up to 2.5 meters long, providing flood protection up to 1.6 meters high. When it comes to technology, robots stand out as valuable rescuers. The best example is Huaying's X20 model, introduced by Deeper Robotics. This robot, equipped with artificial intelligence algorithms, performs search operations independently, with a duration of 4 hours per charge and the capacity to travel 15 kilometers. It can carry air pollution sensors and face challenges such as climbing stairs and maneuvering on slopes up to 30 degrees. Action movie heroes can often make daring escapes by hanging from helicopter ladders or ropes. The hot seat system works in a similar way, with a special focus on rescue missions. It's important to note that hot seat is not suitable for transporting people with severe spinal cord injuries. However, for victims who can sit in a semi-upright position, hot seat is invaluable. It can carry a load up to 227 kilograms, and the storage bag is large enough to accommodate a helmet. The system retails for $720. But if fear has knocked you unconscious, your rescuers better have the following device. The Corporal CPR is a unique CPR device. It automatically adjusts to the patient's chest, allowing you to change not only the frequency of compressions from 80 to 120 per minute, but also the depth of compression from 2 to 6 centimeters. The device is designed to cause minimal problems during patient transport. In addition, its rear sections allow X-rays to pass through. In addition, Corporal CPR is the first product of its kind to be approved for children over the age of 8. Corporal CPR operates for 90 minutes on a single charge. U-Safe devices also help save lives. Consider this system installed on a beach in Portugal. Basically, U-Safe works as an advanced lifeguard. The device can reach speeds of up to 15 kilometers per hour and can be launched from a helicopter next to a person in distress. The person simply holds onto the U-Safe handles and the device effortlessly pulls them to safety, for example to shore or to a lifeboat. It's designed for trouble-free operation in saltwater. It has a range of 6 kilometers on a single charge, and the remote control is simple and easy to use. We're coming to the end, so the best inventions are yet to come, like the next one you're about to see. This structure is not just an imaginary fantasy concept, it's a tangible product tested in Alaska. The shelter's design is inspired by traditional igloo and origami techniques. Its unique shape, which resembles water droplets, allows it to withstand high winds. During testing, there was a significant temperature difference between the inside and outside of the dome. Despite its delicate shell, it was able to withstand a load of 70 kilograms. These structures can be placed in close proximity to trails, providing hikers with quick and safe shelter in problematic situations. Now let's move on to the most innovative device ever created. The Fire Palala team claims to have created the world's most compact fire extinguisher. Its bottle-sized design fits comfortably in one hand and outperforms many conventional fire extinguishers. This mini extinguisher, known as the FERP FP50, can extinguish fires in electrical boxes or garbage cans, among other places. Its version works for about 12 seconds and weighs only 480 grams.